Tammy, who do you have to show us today?
I have Hiccup.
And how old is Hiccup?
Hiccup's a little over a year old.
What's special about Hiccup?
Lots of things, but what's different about Hiccup is he's our only three-legged kitty on site. He's not the only three-legged kitty we've had at Pawsomore this year. We've actually had quite a few. Pawsomore goes that extra step and treats these guys so they can continue to live their lives. And Hiccup gets around pretty good with just his three legs.
What kind of a home do you think will be the best for Hiccup?
Mine, but I think that the best home for Hiccup would just be where he can have a lovey-dovey person who's willing to snuggle him all day long, because he's just a lover-duffer.
All right, thank you, Tammy.
Yeah.